Alright, so there's one more thing to fix, which is when we dash, we can actually change direction mid-dash. We actually don't want that to happen. So there's actually a really easy fix to this. It's just one if statement. So let's go back to the script. If is not dashing, so if is dashing equals false, then you can move. So just take this, cut it, and then put it here. Now, if you do this, we wouldn't be able to call the x input float variable, because we actually made it a variable inside this if statement. So we have to make it a variable outside of it. So right here, I'm just going to type in float x input. Hello there, I'm your instructor from the future. So there's actually one more bug that I discovered later on in the course. So the thing is, when you dash, you can still move while you're dashing. So to fix this, I'm just going to go to script, and this dash direction, which was supposed to be here, so the dash direction equals input.getAxis raw horizontal inside the if is dashing statement. Just cut it and put it inside the if statement that checks to see if you're clicking on the dash button. So it checks to see the dash direction one time instead of checking to see it while you're dashing. So now if we go back to our game, alright, so if I dash, I can't exactly change the direction while I'm dashing. I can just set it on one time when I start dashing. And now I'm going to go all the way down and cut this if statement, and I'm going to paste it here. And now I'm going to set the constraints inside the if is dashing statement. And now I'm going to multiply this rb.velocity by time.delta time. Because we're moving a rigid body, a physics object, over time. So we're actually moving it in the update function. So we have to multiply it by time.delta time, so all the players get the same experience.